How you doing, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. As usual, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that notification bell. And if you have any questions, also leave those down in the comments section. It could be any questions about any charts that I've done, any charts that you would like for me to look over, even mark up and chart. I can go ahead and do that as well. Even if you have a chart, you can also feel free to send them over as well towards to me as well. So for today we have Lindsay Corporation on daily chart, and their ticker symbol is LNN. Okay, so for Lindsay, I haven't seen much going on. I mean, it's been like in a weird spot lately. I mean, it's just been consolidating between that whole area of like 106 and really $134. Like it's just been just like not really all that enticing. The only thing that enticed me to look in this pair is the fact that not only did we get a break above this 113 level, but we also just recently got a break above that 121. So for me, I want to see if it's going to actually take a small retrace back into this 120 area and then head higher towards that 134, right? And that's the only place I'm looking for right now as far as like it halting. It could just shoot straight from here, right? But if it ends up actually breaking lower than that 120 mark, then I would like to see buyers actually enter the markets again around this 116, 115 level, and then at max 106, 105 level. That's basically it. After that, I don't see any more buyers coming in. If it ends up breaking towards that lower level, then I'm more inclined to look for sales, but I'm very cautious around this area because even though this is no man's land, we still do have orders here. So if this ends up popping up from here, it is a possibility, but I'm seeing more sellers coming out of that. And if that ends up happening, I mean, as you can see from here, there's not much going on here. After that gets taken out, I'm looking more towards the $92 area. That's basically it. But for now, I'm looking more towards the buy side. That's basically it. So at least up to this $34 mark. That's it. Price gets there, then we'll see what happens next. But I want to say thank you to all the viewers and everyone who's been subscribing, everyone who's been not only commenting on the videos, but also sharing them. I greatly appreciate that. I do appreciate the love, and I want to just say that if you're like learning or even struggling with these charts, try to make it as simple as possible to where it doesn't only just fit your like strategy, but also like your schedule, your lifestyle, things like that. You don't want to have to go through 100 million confirmations before like you do anything. Like again, this is all educational purposes, but these are obstacles that I've gone through, and this is basically what I'm sharing this channel on. Like that's it. It's just the educational part that a lot of people don't talk about, which is not only the charts, but also risk management, tolerance, and psychological aspect of the mental state of trading. Like that's a lot that a lot of traders don't cover. So with that being said, I want to just say thank you to everyone. And if you have any questions, again, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. All right. So have a good one and have a great week. And happy 4th of July.